Hi guys, today we're going to be seeing about the review product of Bot Stormwatch. This is a budget smartwatch is offered by Bot company, and we have seen the we'll unbox. What's the packing was good? Yeah, this is the watch from the Bot Storm. There is a screen of 1.3 inches, and this is 2.5D full touch display screen, and blood oxygen monitor is there. 24/7 heart rate monitor, we can watch that heart rate. So this is perfect smartwatch from the board. Is a good one. So I got in deal rupees 2000 rupees in Flipkart, but usually we can buy for 3000 rupees watch to watch. Yeah, it's look good. The metal body casing and this rate, hot rate, all kind of the features is there. So for this price is very good. We'll see. This is the options we are given in that. Bot Storm user manual. They are all given here. Let's start unboxing. Nothing else. So this is the watch. Let's see. And what are the accessories they are providing? That is USB cable. This is magnetic USB charging that given by that board. This is good one actually. It's normal. We can use normal mobile charger for this, and this is a magnetic one. So this will be very good one. Good quality meeting of. And one sticker has been given by both. And the warranty card. Watch comes with 1 year warranty. It's good. This is a user manual. There is a sponsors there better here. This is one more user manual. So this is the accessories you're getting by box, like USB cable, user manual, warranty card, like this. So this is all the accessories given by the board. Let's come to this watch. Yeah, it's looking good. Full metal casing. This is the kind of sensor they're using by Bot Storm, and this is that magnetic USB charging given by the board. We can charge from here. Yeah, stuff is very good. This is kind of, it's not pure rubber. It's good quality rubber actually. And this is the metal casing body given by the boat. It's look like good. Yeah. Let's start. Let's start. Yeah, touch was very so smooth and very soft. Is kind of user friendly, and see, this is the options they're giving by that board, like sports activities and the heart rate, oxygen, blood oxygen meters, blood pressures. So alarm, music control. We can control the music from the mobile if we easily connected to this app, and we can set the timers. Settings is option is there. So in the sports activity, they're given that run, walk, bike riding, and high climbing, treadmill, all kind of the given that, all kind of the basic thing they're given by the board. This is very good watch actually. And heart rate is working by the sensor. Yeah, this is a sensor that can be used by the board. It's good. See, this is a sensor. It's working good. So we don't need to be test right now. Come back, and we can use the alarm settings. We can change the settings from the using that in separate app. So this watch is controlled by separate app in board. The board is giving the official app, Android Play Store, or you can use by any iOS, like kind of you can download it, and you just need to be connected with Bluetooth. Then it's all you can review the settings. You can change your settings on your mobiles and this is the what. If you swipe down, you will get the all messages like WhatsApp messages, is normal messages, all kind of the messages should be displayed here. And if you swipe up, that is how much should I walk, like kind of all activities we can see in my here. So this is overall be good watch. So good quality of given by the boat at this price is one of the best watch you can buy. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much. Bye.